Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key. Now, I'll mention this process does remove things like a screen lock, so if you have one that you don't know, I can remove it this way, and I will set one up just so you can kind of see it, which let me quickly find it. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, I am on a lock screen right now, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know the pattern. So let's just hold the power key. We do want to see the screen, so let's do it again. You want to select power off. Now once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. When Oppo logo shows up, you can let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. As you will see, there's a language selection, so tap on your desired language, and then select Wipe Data. It will tell us to enter a verification code, which is this one right here. It is randomly generated, so for you it will be different than what I see right now. So I'm gonna put mine in. 598, there we go, and we can now select format data. It gives us a message, all user data will be reset. Format will begin, and this step right here only takes a couple seconds. Once it's finished, as you can see, it gives us a message, wipe successful. Click on OK, and this will initiate a reboot of the device and continue the process in the background. Now this entire thing should probably take like 2 minutes tops, I believe. And once it's finished, we will be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.